guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup video. It's a chit chat, get ready with me. I was doing a few errands that day and I decided just to do my makeup. I kind of went a bit dramatic on this, but not too dramatic, because I've been wearing my makeup a little settle, a little bit more simpler throughout the winter, throughout the fall last year. So I did it a little bit different, you know what I mean, getting back into my dramatic makeup. But anyways, let's get into the makeup, guys. I'm going to talk about some few stuff. Who knows where this conversation will go. But as you can see, I already put my moisturizer, my primer, and now I'm adding my foundation. And this is the Maybelline foundation. Okay, so yeah. And I do have a video coming up. It's talking about my favorite products. And some of these products you see I'm wearing in the video will be on that video. Okay, it probably will be after this makeup tutorial video. Yeah, so when I put on my foundation, guys, I pretty much like to damp. I'm probably one of those person, I don't really care too much for coverage. I know that sounds weird, but I think because I don't have as much acne on my face. If you are somebody that has a lot of acne, then you might want a lot of coverage. And I think also because I add on more makeup. I think when you add the concealer, you add the contour, it kind of adds up. And it all depends on how many makeup you want on your face that day, you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't like to use too much of the foundation. When I say too much, like probably add 2 rounds, 3 rounds. I like to just stick to 1 round, if that makes sense. But anyways, I did go ahead and contour with my concealer. That's what I've been using lately and for a couple months. Yeah, so I use that to contour, and that is from the Ruby Kisses. Okay, then I went ahead and used the same concealer, which is from Ruby Kisses. It's a concealer foundation. I use that to highlight. Okay, highlight. Yeah, so I must admit this concealer is a little bit too light. I think when it comes to my concealers, I have been going extra light lately, and it kind of make me look washed out in certain looks. So do excuse that, and that's not my intention. Okay, but I do like a full on makeup, and I do like my makeup to look like makeup. At times, sometimes I like the natural look, and sometimes I like the beat look. So I think that's why I tend to go a lot lighter on the concealer. But I think when I go makeup shopping, hopefully I take you guys with me next time, I go a little bit darker. You know what I mean? I go a little bit darker. Oh gosh. Oh Lord have mercy, what is going on, guys? Please do spare me on this one. I tell you, when I tell you, this is not the way it's going to come out. Do understand? Okay, and this is what I'm talking about here. When the makeup is a little bit light, it tends to make me look a little bit washed out, of course, because it's too light. So guys, if you're wearing your makeup and you don't want this like highlight beat look, stick to a concealer that's closest to your complexion, if that makes sense. Okay, but anyways, the way to solve this issue, as you can see, I'm kind of going back with the contour brush and damping that, and that's because, slow down Idanise, I'm kind of removing the lines, you know what I mean, and then I'm going back with the concealer brush and kind of damping that. So I go back and forth with the contour and the concealer, and that where I get like an original skin tone, if that makes sense. Okay, all right, if you understand makeup and you understand expression, you understand creativity, then you understand where I'm going here. Okay, so I think when you wear makeup nowadays, guys, it's not about natural. I mean, it's kind of about natural and not, unnatural, but it's all about who you are and how you like to express yourself. That's what I think makeup has become. It's like an art. You know what I mean? So there's no right and wrong when it comes to makeup. As long as you know how to apply makeup properly, I think there's no right and wrong on how you wear it and how you want to express it, if that makes sense. But anyways, I am doing my eyebrows. I don't think I did the full on eyebrows on this video, but I just showed you guys a little bit snippet of what I'm doing with my eyebrows for that day. And I usually use a black pencil liner, and I don't know why, I just use a black pencil liner most of the time. But guys, please do use a brown pencil liner, especially if you're not a professional doing it, okay? Then I went ahead and used, oh gosh, I don't even remember this powder, but guys, all of the makeup products will be in the description box below. So if you would like to know the name of the products, please look at it, okay? But I brought this powder from Amazon, and this was my first time trying it because I've been using a translucent powder that I use from Avon and I kind of ran out of it. So I brought this powder from Avon, and it was pretty okay. It's pretty okay. It's a little bit stainy. When I say stain, it kind of stained to my face up a bit, but it's not too bad, okay? I need to use it several times to really feel to really know how I like it, if that makes sense, okay? But as you can see, I've added the powder in my T-zone area. For those who are not used to makeup, you add the powder to the where you add your concealer, which is most likely the T-zone area. Calm down, Idanise. And that's because you don't want it to crease. You want it to look flawless, and you want the powder to absorb the concealer. And yeah, so basically that's it. And as you can see, I went ahead and added some powder on the side of my face, and that's because I wanted to shape it and kind of slim it down. So you can add a little bit of the powder on the side of the face. Hopefully I explained that well, guys. So I did went ahead and use my Beauty Glaze palette. You know, I finally wasn't lazy that day, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go and look for my palettes. And yeah, so pretty much, guys, oh gosh, I can't even remember the name of this color. So I went and used like this pretty beige color as a what do you call it, how would you call it, oh gosh. But anyways, I used this brown beige as the first color, and then I went ahead and used this other color. It's almost like it's like a peach brown. That's what it's giving me on screen, but it's very, very, very pretty. And I know that I wanted like a bold look, but not too bold, but very nice and simple, and I like the way it came out. So yeah. So I hope you guys have a good week. I hope you guys are enjoying your spring so far. Whenever time you watch this video, whether you're, you know, you might watch this couple months down the road, I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying your time, guys. My week is being quite okay. You know, besides work being hectic, it's been quite okay. If you don't know, I do work as an early childhood educator. I do have a lot more of those videos to come, so stay tuned for those videos. So I did added this pretty like turquoise bluish color to the bottom eyelid, to the corners of the bottom eyelid, and I don't know, I was just playing around with it. And then I went and added black in the crease area and blend that together, and that's because I just wanted it to have that bold look, you know what I mean? Yeah, and it came out really nice. It came out really nice. So the good thing about makeup is you can just play with it, and you can just come up with certain things, you know what I mean? It all depends on who you are. So that's why I love makeup. I get to express myself and just be myself. You know what I mean? God give me a face and I'm gonna decorate it. But anyways, as you can see, I'm going back and forth with the brush and kind of blending it, you know, whether it's that peach brown color to the black that I added in there and to the blue, just kind of fuse it together, you know what I mean, and making sure it blend together. So that's pretty much what I did with the eyeshadow look. Okay, yeah. But like I said before, my week went well. Work was a little bit hectic, so I try to have a positive week as much as possible, regardless the circumstances. And I'm learning a lot about how to just manage stress, and I haven't been stressed, honestly. I haven't been stressed, but just to kind of manage the hecticness of life. And of course you got to do that with prayer as usual, and just think positive. But anyways, for the eyeshadow look, I did added this it's like a beige shimmered. Okay, so for those who don't know what shimmered is, it's like the glittery part of the eyeshadow. All right, so I added that to my front eyelid because I didn't really want any color in the front eyelid. Okay, and then I used a black eyeliner just to kind of line up my eyes, just give it a bit of that dramatic look. Then I went ahead and just dust off the powder, of course. All right, okay, yeah. But like I was saying, I just stay positive. I try to speak good things to myself and think good things to myself, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Because your days sometimes or our days sometimes, if I can speak for most, can be unpredictable. So sometimes your emotions is tested throughout the day, and sometimes you just gotta reflect. I find that you gotta reflect, and one of the things that I've learned do you excuse me, I've learned to take deep breaths throughout the day. I've learned to smile throughout the day. Whenever my mind is starting to become negative, I've learned to just smile for no reason. You know what I mean? It helps you a lot. And yeah, so I'm learning, and I'm growing. Because in life you need to grow. Okay, you need to grow. If you're living and you're not growing, then you're not really living. Okay. But anyways, sorry I didn't explain that part, but you guys see what I'm doing. I went ahead and used my setting spray, guys. And yes, the setting spray is to keep the makeup together and that it doesn't glide off your face. So make sure you use the setting spray when you're doing your makeup. And now I'm doing a last brush routine, making sure everything is settled and in place. Guys, no worries, that is not how I'm going to keep my hair. Okay, so right now, well, the clip is gone. I added my lip liner, just added it. I'm still staying to the neutral lips. I haven't been wearing colored for a long time. Who knows? Just follow my videos, subscribe, and then you'll get to see. All right, so yeah, so this is the usual, mascara, the lips. I try to just keep it as simple as possible. And now I'm just putting on my lip gloss, guys. Yep. As you can see, the makeup did come together, although it do make me look a little bit washed out. Like I said, I will go down on my concealers, but overall it came out great. And like I said, as long as you know how to put on your makeup properly and decent, you should be fine. No matter how you put it, no matter how you express yourself, you should be fine. But anyways, I'm brushing off my wig. I brought this wig from Amazon, guys. I brought it from Amazon and I absolutely love it. I wear it at work, I wear it at home. Usually I like to just keep my work wig separate from my home or my outing wig, but this one I just wear it work, outing, whatever. Now I'm gonna tie down my hair because I feel like I was feeling just high fashion that day. I don't know. You just have those days. And if anybody knows me, you know that I love to wear my hair cloth. It's just a thing that I do. I don't know, it's just me. And I really love this scarf that I had like years ago. I can't even remember why I got this scarf. I believe the mall, I think. Yeah, the mall. But anyways, I'm tying down my hair. You know, oh, I love that. I love that. African queen. That's what I'm talking about. In fact, Haitian queen. Haitian queen. But anyways, guys, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another